Lily just wants a liver snap. I said, Lily just wants a liver snap. Don't you want a liver snap? I said, where you going? Come back. Come back, Lily. Don't you want a liver snap? I said, 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 don't you want a liver snap? Don't you want a liver snap? I said, don't you want a liver snap? Don't you want a liver snap? I said, don't you want a liver... Oh, you just kissed my phone. You just want a liver snap. I said, just go. Oh, it's going crazy. Where's it going? It's going crazy. Look what she's got for you. I said, look what she's got for you.
This is too big for you.
Well, no, let's see. Let's show it to the camera.
Show you.
What is this? What is this? That is huge. That's kind of a breaky little piece there. It's too big for this dog. Uh-oh. Oh, she took it.
Wait till Mommy gets
No. Uh-oh. She ate it already?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't give it to her until she gets to her bed. She knows that.
Oh, okay.
And you one of these. And one of these green.
Aren't you excited? Aren't you excited?
You should get
Look at this picture. Uh-oh.